What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying issue of having your AirPods disconnecting constantly from your iPhone device. Okay, suppose you already have your iPhone device paired in here to your AirPods and it suddenly simply disconnects while in the middle of a call or while you're listening to a song or while jogging or anything like that. I'm going to show you how to fix this bug, this glitch, and a lot more glitches or bugs as well, so you can actually have a much smoother experience with your AirPods. And do not worry, regardless of the AirPods model that you've got, whether you have the same as mine or a different model, the process is exactly the same. I'm going to show you all the steps on how you can get this sorted out. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. It really helps me out. Now, jumping straight into the very first step in here, of course you want to connect it into your iPhone device, and then you want to hop into settings. You want to tap here on the AirPods, right? So you want to remove both of the ears here from the case. Okay, so as soon as you remove one, it's going to show you the battery of one and the other. So you want to remove both of the earphones in here. Okay, let me keep one. Let's just remove one, and you'll be able to see the battery percentage in here of each AirPod that you've got. So you want to make sure in here that the percentage is actually above 20%. Anything below 20% might be related to charge or battery level, because I don't know how old your AirPods are, and for example, if they're very old, it might not be able to last long. Like the battery, when it gets to 20%, it may be running faster or it may simply turn it off. So double check your charge first to make sure that the battery level is not the case. So once we've ruled out the possibility of your battery here being low on your earphones, we're moving into the next step real quick. So we're going to scroll down in here all the way to automatic ear detection. This is a feature that allows us, for example, to simply stop a call or stop a song from playing every time we remove the earphone from our ear. Right? So there might be a bug, or for example, if you do have dust on the earphone or anything like that, or if there's an issue with the sensor, this might not be working well. There might be something sending a false signal to your phone saying that, hey, I want you to pause this, or I want you to disconnect. So I want you to turn off automatic ear detection. It's not a very important setting to be turned on, being honest. It's just something to make it much convenient, the process of connecting and disconnecting your AirPods. So simply turn it off and then hop into connect to this iPhone. You want to make sure that this setting in here is always toggled and set to automatically. This is important. You want to keep it on automatically and not on when last connected to this device. So you just want to double check that automatically is set, and then we're good to go. Now, if this doesn't fix the problem that we've got, do not worry, we're moving into the next step. Now, in the next step, we'll simply go back to our AirPods in here. You want to close it once, open it up, and then you want to simply move your AirPod around in here. That's how it goes. Move it and then simply wiggle it a bit in here. As you can see, we do have a bit of space in here. Wiggle it and then rotate it once again. Wiggle it, rotate it once again, wiggle it, and then do the same here. Pull it up, rotate it, wiggle it, rotate it, wiggle it, and perform this for 3 minutes as well. This is just to ensure that the connection here with the pins down there is working well. So you want to do this just to ensure that it's charging properly, okay? Because sometimes you do have a lot of stuff that might be intersecting that connection, and this will contribute for your AirPods not charging properly. Next up, you want to keep your AirPods charging for approximately 20 minutes and then simply try reusing it to see if the problem gets sorted out. Now, if this doesn't help fixing the problem, do not worry. We're hopping into our iPhone device in here. You want to hop into settings real quick, okay? Once you're here, you want to tap here on AirPods, scroll down, and then simply tap here on forget this device. Tap on forget device once again, and the device will be 100% disconnected from this iPhone device. And whenever you open it up, it's going to pop up as if it's a brand new AirPods ready to be set up. So you want to set it up from scratch in here and see if this fixes the problem that we've got. We're just reconnecting it from scratch by resetting everything in here. Now, if this doesn't help fixing the problem that we've got, we're going to reset our AirPods manually in here. And how does this happen? If you do have AirPods with physical button here at the back, all you want to do is press and hold while the case is open. Press and hold the button for approximately 20 seconds. Keep on pressing it and be patient until you see the amber color blinking or flashing here at the front. Keep on pressing it. There we go. Once we see the amber color, we're going to release the button and let the AirPods turn on normally. Now, if you have AirPods without a physical button at the back, that's probably a much newer version, and all you need to do in order to reset it is just simply double tap, and then double tap. That's all it takes to reset. Now, you want to make sure that you perform this in the sequence that I've showed to you and with the same speed or same break within each double tap. Don't take a lot of time like double tap and wait for 5 seconds and the double tap. It won't recognize it. It needs to be fast. Double tap, and then double tap, and see if this sorts the issue that you've got. Now, if this doesn't fix the problem that you've got, last but not least, I would recommend you guys performing a forced restart here within your iPhone. Now, in order to perform a forced restart on an iPhone 8 or later models, for example, let's say you've got an iPhone 8, X, 11, all the way to iPhone 17. In my case, I've got an iPhone 16 Pro. All you want to do is rapidly tap on volume up and then down and then press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. This is how it goes. 1, 2, pressing and holding the power button. I'm only pressing the power button right now. Keep on holding it for approximately 10 seconds until you see the Apple logo on your screen. There we go. Keep on pressing the power button, and as soon as you see the Apple logo, you're going to release the power button and let your iPhone turn on normally, right? This pretty much restarts your phone. It doesn't delete any sort of data or any sort of information. It simply cuts all the power being supplied to your phone from your battery, and then it rejuices it up just to restart it as if it's coming from a deep sleep, where in other words, we call it a reboot process. I would recommend you guys to do this every 15 days just to make your iPhone process in a much smoother way, and whenever you change settings in here, it's good to recalibrate all the settings. Now, if you do have an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, the forced restarting process is kind of different. All you want to do is press and hold the volume down here along with the power button. Press and hold both of the keys combination until you see the Apple logo, and then you're going to release both of the keys combination. Now, if you do have a much older iPhone device such as an iPhone 6 with the physical home button in here, you want to press and hold the physical home button along with the power button. Keep on pressing it until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then you're going to release the keys combination. Now, please note that if you have a much older iPhone such as an iPhone 4 or 5, the power button is usually located here at the top. So all you want to do is press and hold the home button along with the physical power button at the top until you see the Apple logo, and then you're going to release the buttons combination. So this is how you can actually quickly fix the problem of your iPhone that keeps on disconnected in here from your AirPods device. I hope this video really helped you out, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below if you do have any questions or doubts.
I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers, and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech-related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so, you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech-related issues.
Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.